Kate Bilo joining us now. So beautiful day today, but about this time tomorrow, it might look a little different.
It's going to look a lot different.
Let's just talk about today.
Let's just you want to stay in the moment?
How about we reminisce about the weekend?
How about that?
Was it a beautiful?
Absolutely perfect.
It was.
Open the windows,
Oh,
let that
yeah,
cool
the touch of
breeze
fall
blow.
almost.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah, a little
it was great.
Christmas. We talked about that crispness all
Yes,
last
indeed.
week, and the Christmas delivered. Not all that crisp out there tonight, though, so you will want to leave the windows closed and maybe the air conditioner running as the humidity begins to surge yet again out ahead of our next advancing cold front, and that front is going to be responsible for our threat for severe weather tomorrow afternoon. But we've got to focus on the good stuff. Yuki said it first. Let's take a look outside. Ocean City, blue sky, beautiful day. The beach is packed. But if you are down the shore this week and you have beach plans tomorrow, you may want to get it in early. Then in the afternoon, if you start to see those dark clouds bubble up, you got to get off the beach quickly because this line of storms is going to start to move very fast as it approaches the shore points in the evening especially, and these storms will be severe. So you don't want to be out without any easy way to get inside at someplace like a beach or a park. So just please pay attention. You can download our CBS Philly weather app and get real-time radar and updates from that as well. But Ocean City looking beautiful right now. Temperatures are in the low 80s down the shore. Feels great. It's 82 in Wildwood, I should say. 84 in Atlantic City. The ocean water temperature is 74. Philadelphia, we're sitting at 87. Allentown, 87 as well. And Wilmington, Delaware at 84 degrees. Speaking of the shore, we've got a little sea breeze that has picked up this afternoon. It's about 5 degrees cooler in Cape May and Stone Harbor, Ocean City at 84 degrees, and Barnegat Light sitting at 88 right now. Storm Scan 3 showing our next system, and it's a front that's moving through portions of the Midwest, producing the threat for severe weather in portions of Iowa today. Storm Scan 3 locally not showing much of anything, but the atmosphere is starting to moisten back up again. It's starting to become more unstable as well through tonight and into tomorrow, and that's when the storms will arrive. We timed them out yesterday, or timed them out earlier in the broadcast, I should say. Yesterday was quiet, today quiet, tomorrow. Well, that flash flood watch, once again, we've had a number of those this year and a number of flash flood warnings as well. Our flash flood watch, the areas that are most at risk include Philadelphia and nearby suburbs, Montgomery and Bucks County, and into the Lehigh Valley, portions of South Jersey as well, like Camden and Gloucester counties. Torrential rainfall possible with any of these cells, 1 to 2 inches, but locally as much as 4 or 5 inches. So we always say it, if you come across a flooded roadway, turn around, don't drown. We saw water rescues last week. It's just not worth it. Don't even try. Find an alternate route. Here are your threats for tomorrow. Rounds of storms through especially the late afternoon and early evening. Damaging winds are likely. That's going to be our greatest threat, but these storms could develop some rotation, so cannot rule out an isolated tornado and, of course, that flash flooding threat. Just a closer look. We talked earlier. We're at number 3, an enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow. That means numerous severe storms possible, more persistent and widespread than a slight risk, and a few will be intense. Overnight, down to 72, partly cloudy, more humid. Tomorrow, clouds in the morning, maybe a morning shower, then storms are likely in the afternoon and evening, and some of those storms will be strong or severe. And we are going to keep it humid even as we get into the middle to end of the week. Dew points will stay in the low 60s and even low 70s, so it does stay steamy even as we try to dry things out Thursday, Friday, but it looks pretty nice as we head into the weekend. Tomorrow, certainly the highest risk for storms of the 7-day forecast.
Okay, good heads up. All right, Kate, thank you so much. Still ahead.